thing. I think it's just LF. Opt default val doublet. Strings. Str. Yeah, you actually said something about binary, right? Offset must point to a pointer immediately followed by an int for the length. Offset must point to a pointer. I see. Oh, I see. You're not meant to use these. Only the super secret devs are meant to use them. How do... Okay. How do I get an options value? Do I really have to go through this function, wherever it is? Wherever it's going? This one? Do I really have to use that? Reading option values? Yeah. How do I do that? Get a pointer to the requested field in a struct. Serialize the object's options. Create a string containing the object's serialized options. What? Oh, interesting. I can just get them all, and then I can pass it to some other object. So I can just do it all at once. That's really interesting. I might try that. But I still don't understand how I'm meant to use this API. I have to give it a name. What if I have an option? How do I get its name? That's what I want to know. And it looks like the answer is you don't. Or no, not its name. How do I get its value? And I think the answer is you don't. You're meant to use this stuff. Let's try the serialization function though. That looks interesting. And you can... wherever it's gone. I keep closing stuff. Let's try this. Let's get rid of all this. And that. And let's just print out options. And what we're doing... oh, it has to go into a buffer. It will be allocated with the string. Okay, it will be allocated, sure. That's fine. Buff. Res equals AV opt serialize. And then we want the object, which is the format. And opt flags, no idea. Flags, also no idea. Are they in here? Opt serialize exact. Maybe. Serialize options with all the specified flags set. Yeah, I don't know. The buffer. Use the separate key from a value. Sure, I can give you one of those. And sure, I can give you one of those. All right. Couldn't serialize options. 4%. Then we pull, why did it want to go there? I have no idea. Then we want to go to, I think, close AVIO. Well, yeah. I mean, this code's just going to be deleted anyway. Buff. All right. Okay. Let's start from the top. 132. What do you got for me? Non-void function does not return a value in all control paths. I don't think there's an AVOK, actually. I think it's just 0. No member name and records. Did you mean record? No, I did not. What I meant was record an ounce. Apparently, because that's the standard I'm going with. No member named IO instruct audio output. That is true, no doubt. 212. Could not allocate format context for. I don't believe you. Could not open IO context for output file. Permission denied. That's curious. So you couldn't open a file that's writable. Oh, I wonder if it's just file colon and the dash and the slash is not required. So just that. Couldn't initialize format for file. Invalid argument. Home. What do you want from me? I think I want to do this earlier, right? I want this to be before I do that. Let's start with that. Okay. I don't think I want all of these, to be honest. This is a bunch of stuff I wasn't expecting. Okay. All right, so I have a bunch of options there already. Unused variable opt. Yeah, that's fine. Probably do something a little more readable. That's not really more readable. Spent a lot of time doing not very much. This API seems rather unclear. I'm surprised it fails, though. This succeeds. I think this succeeds. I think it has a name field. Guest format WAV. Yep, makes sense to me. Ooh. That's interesting. Oh. Whoops. Yeah. Couldn't initialize format. Invalid argument. Invalid argument. What doesn't it like? What uses this? Where is this actually used? Guest format, classic. Oh, you can copy and then set. Oh no, this is something else. Also, this is, yeah, okay, never mind.